Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Linda and I provide honest reviews on skincare and makeup products, mostly from subscription boxes such as Ipsy, Boxycharm, and clean makeup from Sephora. If you're a regular here, thank you for your support. And welcome back. Today, I'm so excited I just received my Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Clinic at Home Pore Edition Kit, which I'm about to share with you today. And if you know me, I love Dr. Dennis Gross products. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So I am just now unboxing this Clinic at Home Pore Edition Kit from Dr. Dennis Gross. I just received it 2 days ago, so I'm like so excited. They are one of the best brands out there for skincare. This kit comes with 3 awesome products. As you can see here in the box, it's got the Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel in a deluxe size. It's got the extra strength daily peels, and you get 35 treatments. And the last item in this kit is the Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum in a deluxe size. So let's just dive right into this. So the first item is this Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel in deluxe size. And it says it's a cleansing gel that exfoliates, decongest pores, removes makeup, washes away bacteria with the power of hydroxy acids, and is good for pores, acne, blemishes, and oiliness. Here is a closer look. Now it says to use, you can use it for AM and PM, and you just wet your face and massage the cleansing gel onto your face and wipe away clean. I'm just going to open it up and see what the texture is like. Wow, it has a really nice clean scent. I can't wait to start using this. And here is a very clear cleansing gel. And the texture is very thick. It doesn't feel very greasy. This is going to be one of my favorite cleansers. And this is supposed to be a deluxe size, so I think this would probably last me about 30 days or so. So it's a pretty good size. The second item in this kit is the extra strength daily peel in full size. And as I mentioned earlier, you get 35 treatments. Here's a closer look. And I have already been using this product for quite a while, and let me tell you, it definitely works. And you can see that it's actually from Sephora, which I purchased it directly from Sephora and not from the Dr. Dennis Gross official website. And the reason why I did that was because from Sephora, you only pay $88 for this whole kit. And Dr. Dennis Gross is a very pricey line of skincare. So I'm just going to open it up and show you what is inside the box. So this is the extra strength daily peel, and as I mentioned, I've already been using this product for quite a while, and it definitely works. It's a 2-step process. First step is the peel, and the second step is the anti-aging neutralizer. So I'm just going to tear them up, and I'm going to show you what the cloth looks like. So this is the first step. It's just a wet white cloth, and you put this onto your face and you just massage upwards in upward strokes. And for those who are new to peels, it will definitely have a tingly effect on your skin, and it will definitely sting a little bit, but the more you continue using it, it will definitely start to slowly go away. So you just massage this onto your skin until the cloth runs dry. You wait 2 minutes, and the next step would be the second step. And that is the same white cloth, and that is the anti-aging neutralizer, which will also minimize the tingliness once you apply the second step. I'm not going to demonstrate these products right now since I have on makeup. It's very self-explanatory. And look at this box. You get 35 treatments. This will definitely last you over a month. And I highly recommend that you start off every other day. This product has really helped me achieve a poreless look. If you don't go with the other two products, this I would say is the most important product of all. The last product in that kit is the Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum in a deluxe size. Now this is a new product I have not used before, so I'm very excited to start using this. As you know me, I love face serums, and I have quite a few in my collection. And I'm just so thrilled that I finally am now going to start using a Dr. Dennis Gross face serum. So this is very typical of a face serum. It comes with a dropper. And it's just a clear liquid. I'm going to put it a little bit onto my hand. And again, it still has that nice clean scent. I like how this glides smoothly onto my hand. It has a really nice soft texture. And I'm just going to start using a little bit onto my skin right now. I love that. I just can't wait to start using these products. Look up this product online and it says it's a silicone-free pore treatment that tackles existing pores and helps prevent new blackheads from forming. It's a lightweight liquid. It's good for fine lines, wrinkles, and oiliness. And as with any face serum, you can use this alone by itself or before makeup. So there you have an awesome at-home kit from Dr. Dennis Gross to minimize the appearance of your pores. If anyone is interested in this kit, I will definitely provide a link below. Please support my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. If you like this video, then please check out my channel for my other videos. Please also check me out on Facebook and Instagram, and my handle is Ansara Reviews. See you in the next video. Bye!